So, hello guys. Andito naman tayo sa panibagong video. Ah, let's try na laruin natin tong isa sa pinaka-paborito kong laro, itong Resident Evil 4. Original version to. Not the remake. Kasi dito ako naglalaro sa cellphone lang. Yan. So, ito ay matagal ko nang tapos, nakailang paulit-ulit na ako dito eh. Puno na yung ko dyan. Puno na yung save point ko. Ayan. Tapos ko na lahat yan. Pero siyempre lalaro na rin natin at i-record para mapanood nyo naman kung gaano kagarapal dito. Ayan. Joke lang.
Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger. What are you buying?
Yan, buy tayo. Kasi, kung saan ako nag-load eh.
Thank you.
Pero, okay. Buy na natin mga gusto nating baril dyan. Handkano, maganda, ito, isa sa kaso, wala nang thrill pagka yan ang gamit natin eh. Yeah. Boss ko na rin yung Chicago Typewriter. Kung mapapansin nyo yung pera ko dito, talagang na 99999. May cheat ko na yun eh. Pero syempre naglaro din tayo ng hindi nag-cheat siya. Naku po, nakailang patay tayo dito eh. Yan, tanggal muna tayo sa inventory natin ng mga hindi kailangan para mapagkasya natin ang ating Chicago. Yan. Ito pa rin Chicago Typewriter na to. Alibala yan. Alibala. Kahit sa remake. Yan. Ayusin lang natin inventory natin. Hindi kasi ito na na automatic ayos. Hindi katulad ng sa remake,
Is that all?
Pagka inano mo, yan, palitan natin yung infinite rocket launcher, yung ating rocket launcher. Yung mga baril na yan, lang natin yan, pang display natin para pagka trip natin gamitin ninaan dyan yan, kala ko first aid may first aid pa ako dito, wala na pala, pero wala yan.
Is that all? Thank you.
Yan, switching up po sana, kaso naisip ko pwede tayong gumamit ng hand cannon syempre.
What are you buying?
Yan, papalitan natin yung yung broken butterfly natin na hand
What do you
cannon.
need that for? Going hunting an elephant?
Stranger, what you need that for? Going hunting an animal. Elephant pala, sorry. Yan. Palitan na natin yung ating broken butterfly ng hand cannon. Yan. Tara, let's go.
1998. I'll never forget it. It was the year when those grisly murders occurred in the Arklay Mountains. Soon after, the news was out to the whole world, revealing that it was the fault of a secret viral experiment conducted by the international pharmaceutical enterprise, Umbrella. The virus broke out in a nearby mountain community, Raccoon City, and hit the peaceful little town with a devastating blow crippling its very foundation. Not taking any chances, the President of the United States ordered a contingency plan to sterilize Raccoon City. With the whole affair gone public, the United States government issued an indefinite suspension of business decree to Umbrella. Soon its stock prices crashed, and for all intents and purposes, Umbrella was finished. Six years have passed since that horrendous incident. I received special training via a secret organization working under the direct control of the president. I was to assume the responsibility of protecting the new president's family.
Cornel, why am I the one who always get the short end of the stick?
You, who are you really? Come on and tell us. You are a long way from home, cowboy. You have my sympathies.
Guess that's a local's way of breaking the ice. Anyway, you know what this is all about. My assignment is to search for the president's missing daughter.
What? All by yourself?
I'm sure you boys didn't just tag along so we could sing Kumbaya together at some Boy Scout bonfire. But then again, maybe you did.
Oh, you crazy American. It's a direct order from the chief himself. I tell you, it's no picnic.
I'm counting on you guys. It was right before I was to take on my duties of protecting the president's daughter when she was abducted. That's the ultimate reason I'm in this lonely and rural part of Europe. According to our intelligence, there's reliable information about a sighting of a girl that looks very similar to the president's daughter. Apparently, she's being withheld by some unidentified group of people. Who would have thought that my first job would have been a rescue mission?
It's freezing. So cold all of a sudden. Must be my imagination. Sorry it took so long.
Just up ahead is the village.
I'll go and have a look around.
We'll stay and watch that car. Don't want to get any parking tickets.
Right. Parking tickets.
Good luck.
Jeez, who are these guys?
Did you say something?
Leon, I hope you can hear me. I'm Ingrid Hunnigan. I'll be your support on this mission.
Loud and clear. Somehow I thought you'd be a little older. So the subject's name's Ashley Graham, right?
That's right. She's the daughter of the president. So try to behave yourself, okay?
Whoever this group is, they sure picked the wrong girl to kidnap.
I'll try to find some more information on my end as well.
Good. Talk to you later. Leon out.
So, let's go guys. Ito na. Yan, di ko pala natanggal dito yung last cheat ko, no? Yung mabilis yung lakad.
Not that way, cowboy.
Pero, tatanggalin natin yan na next chapter. Nakakalito kasi to. Pero, tinaray ko ng yung speedrun na yun para mabilis natin matapos yung isang chapter. Isang buong story tayo na mabilis ang takbo. Walang awa na binasuko yung imo. Pakta yung dalawa. Yan. Hindi rin natin naalis yung pero hindi naman natin kailangan yung mga loot na yun eh. Nilimot ko lang para dadaanan na eh. Yan. Hindi natin kung blow ka ka. Hala. Pag nakagane kay Matic. Ayun, ito may one hit lang to lahat eh. Walang thrill pagka naka-hand cannon ka. Kaya ano, favorite ko talaga dito yung ano, yung shotgun. Hindi itong shotgun na to, yung isa. Yan ang ating unang papatay, no? Si Tanda.
Excuse me, sir? I was wondering if you might recognize the girl in this photograph.
¿Qué carajo estás haciendo aquí? ¡Lárgate, cabrón!
Sorry to have bothered you.
Grabe, no? Ayan, naka-pistol siya dito, pero ang gamit natin dito yung shotgun, no? Pero wala, kukutsili na lang natin yan. Wala lang, trip ko lang kutsili. Namiss ko. Hindi pa tumatama yung ibang cut, oh. Ayan, ano yun?
Shit.
Is everything okay?
There was a hostile local. I had no choice but to neutralize him. There are still others surrounding the area.
Get out of there and head toward the village. Take whatever measures necessary to save the subject.
Understood.
Bilis magsalita ni Leon, no? Naka speed mode pa siya, eh. Tatagalin na natin yung next chapter. Ayun, hirap na hirap ako mag-control dyan. Pero ayan. Bakit? Lakas na itong shotgun natin. Ito yung favorite kong shotgun. Ayan, yung favorite kong gamitin pa. Talsik ang kalaban yun. Ito wala, kinuha ko lang. Ewan ko ba, bakit? Pero di na natin kailangan ng heal dyan. Nagpapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga naman. May heal doon, tapos gold. Barilin natin itong heal. Ba? Isa, tatamaan ba? Hindi. Tinamaan niya, tinamaan. Tulungan natin itong aso. Kakaawa naman syempre. Pagka tinulungan niyo pala yung aso na yun, tutulungan kayo dun mamaya sa boss fight. Yan. Hindi tumatama, duling yan, eh. Mayroon kasi ng mabilis yung galaw. Kailangan dito hindi ka babaril, eh. Kaya ginamit ko ito yung speedrun. Wala, ano lang, takas lang yung takas. Hanggang sa natapos sa buong game. Lang, double kill doon, ah. Oh, bilis ko masaya, no? Takbo. Lang. Takot sa mukha, eh. Buksan na natin ito. Or wag na, no? Pero sige, bubuksan natin para sa inyo. Yan.
Leon, how you holding up?
Bad question, Hunnigan.
Sorry to hear that. I'm sending you a playing manual. Hope you find it useful.
I'll take a look at it, thanks.
Okay. Tara dito sa village nila. Ano tawag dito sa village na to? Tagal ko naglalaro nito, hindi ko pa alam yung village na to, eh. Ayun, ang bilis niya mag-zoom, eh, no? Tara, let's go. Gagamitin natin yung typewriter natin dito. Chicago typewriter. Dadadatin natin sila, tol. Bakaw. Bakay. Sige. Katulad ko natin ng baril lang. Yan. Pati yan, pati back, patay na yun. Pwede na yung pang ano, pigar-pigar. Pero parang may virus mga dito. Yan. Kahit patay na, pinapatay pa din ano. Ala. Yan. Phase 2, phase 2.
¡Por allí! ¡No dejes que se escape! ¡Vayan por detrás!
What are these people?
¡Bloqueen el
What
paso!
are they planning? Chainsaw. Shit.
¡Te voy a matar!
Son of a...
Let's go. Balik natin yan. Hindi tayo naubusan ng bala eh. Open na natin itong Chicago TIE Fighter eh. Barilin natin sila. Bang. Marami. Ay, may shotgun dito. Pagka first chapter dyan. Kung nakikita yung shotgun. Yan. Gamitin natin ating favorite na shotgun.
¡Te voy a hacer picadillo!
Ang gusto ito malang eh, no? Pangit rin itong ating first chapter. Pero okay lang yan. Bawi tayo next chapter. Yan. Ito, favorite spot ko dito sa chapter na to eh. Habang ka lang dito, taas yan. Kaso ang tagal eh. Naiinip ako dito. Walang lumalabas. Tara. Susugurin na natin doon sa ano. Salubungin na natin sila. Wala. Bang. Totoo lang ulo. Bang. Headshot na lahat yan. Bang. Hindi sumabog ang ulo yun ah. Diba? Ano yun?
Es hora de
Ito medyo ang dali. Ang bilis niya. Hindi ko na nakalaban dito yung may may chainsaw. Ewan ko bakit. Pero yan, okay na yan.
Lord Sattler.
Tumawag na yung Lakampana. Lakampana.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Yan, intro. Intro pa lang yun. Resident Evil. Wala yung 4, no? Yan yung 4.
Hunnigan, I have some bad news. I've confirmed the body of an officer. Something's happened to the people here.
Leon, you need to get out of there. Look for a tower and follow the trail near it.
Got it.
Yan, let's go. Tapos nyo nakausapin si Hunnigan. Ito nagdadalo isip ako dito daan or ano. Dyan naman talaga yung daan. Talagang nag-doubt na ako sa sarili ko pero okay na yun. Tama naman. Yan, bisa na natin tumakbo. Yan dito. Ito yung rason kung bakit ako mabilis yung takbo. Ito. Ay, hindi pa pala. Hindi pa pala yun sa kabilang mamaya. Yan, hindi pa rin tinamangan yung yung awa sa manok. Yan yun, marami ditong gold medallion pero di na natin kompleto na natin yan eh. Bang. Pati yung baka sinama na. Marami tayong bala eh. Kaya, diba? Hirap na hirap ako mag-control. Naglalakad lang kasi ako ng mga takso. Dito nagkamali ako dito ng talon. Dapat sa kabila. Diba? Hirap tayo. Hirap kontrolin eh. Ayan. Balik ulit tayo sa taas. Tapos ang chinay ko no. Doon para sa kabila. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko dito eh, pero sabi ko, okay, kunin natin yung treasure. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Para alam nyo, may treasure kasi dito eh. Nag-doubt ulit ako na kung kunin ko ba o hindi. Pero sige, kunin na natin para makita nyo. Yan, nice na. Punta na tayo dito. Ito. Dito sa to, sa lugar na to, ang pinaka-hate ko sa lahat. Yan. Pagka hindi ka kasi dito naka-speedrun, may papatak yan na bato. Tapos sobrang bilis ng cable nito ng letter A. Tapos sabay AB or LR. Gusto ko po, nakailang patay ako dito eh. Kaya, yan. Hindi na bumagsak yung bato. Yung bato na malaki kasi naka-speedrun. Yan. Yung dito mga naghahagis ng dinamita eh. Yan. Susunod natin si Mana. Tapos bye. Yan. Tapos dito mga nakadinamita natin. Yan. Tutukan natin ang ulo kasi tayo sala si kuya. Ang patay. Double kill. Tara. Yan. Dito sa loob na natin makikita si Luis. Yan. Isa sa ating favorite character dito sa RE4. Both kay Ada syempre. Dito pwede ka mag-save pero huwag ka na mag-save dyan. Kasi pagkatapos mo dito, nasa new chapter ka na. Yan. Diba? Nalagpas-lagpas yung takbo natin. Ang bilis natin.
Little rough, don't you think? You're not like them?
No. You?
Okay, I have only one very important question. You got a smoke?
Got gum.
Perfect. The big cheese.
What?
So yun, tulog si Leon, no? Yan, dito na tatapos ang ating chapter 1-1. Yan. So, see you na lang sa next video natin, no? Tutuloy ko na lang doon. So, thanks.